tile roofs need to be taken care of, and maintenance on them are an ongoing task, whether they are high-pitch or low-pitch roofs. The sun heats up the roof, and that not only contribute to the deterioration thereof but after a while leave openings for water to penetrate. Where there is damp, mold will form, and that leads to medical issues. Waterproofing must be patched up and replaced at some places. The frequently maintained property was due for a makeover. Well-executed maintenance of roof will ensure that one does not run into any problems, no surprises to catch you off guard. A coat of fresh paint will seal it, and it will be good for 5 more years. The roof needs to be cleaned with a high-pressure hose before any work can commence. Defects not previously seen will be exposed now. All dust and debris will be removed from the surface. Remove any cracked or loose membrane, and the surfaces can then be waterproofed again. Waterproofing of valleys, flashing and plumage vents must be done thoroughly. A fresh layer of quality UV-resistant paint will protect the waterproofing and the rest of the roof alike. With all flashing, plumage vents and valleys waterproofed with a membrane, damp foaming inside the roof was restricted. The new paint not only protects the roof but adds to the aesthetics of the property. The well-executed maintenance contracting shows that the occupants are safe against the weather. Tremco, we did it right. Visit site https://tremco.co.za/ or call 0732708270.